we have two issues. One, the issue of identity. Number two, the issue of freedom. My identity is that I am a Biafran. Not that I'm an Igbo man. Igbo man is the language that puts Igbo on me. But where I defended, fought for, is the land of Biafra. Resident presently in an area called Nigeria. What we are asking is that we want our identity. Nobody has the right to tell us you cannot say you are a Biafran. Nobody has the right to say that he is giving you another name to take other than the name you choose for yourself or your parents choose for you.